today I'm going to talk about something different. I always talk on fish, the topic on fish, but today's topic is going to be on birds. I'm also rearing some birds, so this is the video I'm going to show you what I got. These are two African lovebirds. They are red rosy faces. Then I got two pair of lovebirds. This is one pair, and then this whitish blue with this yellow. They are one pair. Just set up a simple cage setup for them. And this is the swing for them, just a simple swing, handmade. We have just some sticks for them to sit on, like the natural feel, like their natural wildlife. So that's it, guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you.